case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A landmark Supreme Court case from 1977, Jones v. Rath Packing Company, centered around the conflict between California's state law and federal law on the packaging standards of consumable goods, namely bacon and flour. The bedrock of this dispute was the idea that, very simply, when Congress has passed laws regulating a particular aspect, then those laws preempt any state regulations that might unduly interfere or contradict. The epicenter of this conflict comprised of two significant aspects. The first issue pitted the director of the Department of Weights and Measures in Riverside County against several corporate entities. The director moved to suspend the sale of bacon and flour packages, citing that their average net weight fell short of the weights displayed on the packages. This move sparked immense controversy and led to the second dispute, an appeal by Jones and Rath. They protested against California's statistical sampling protocol to ascertain net weight, arguing that it deviated conspicuously from the federal requirement. In response to these multifaceted issues, the Supreme Court issued a ruling that buttressed the supremacy of federal laws in this instance. California's state law on fixed weight standards for flour, the contentious Section 12211, was deemed subordinate to the federal law, which successfully annulled the state's authority in that regard. This was because such an overreach contravened the objectives outlined by Congress in the Fair Packaging and Labeling Act. Similarly, the California law on net weight labeling was also overridden by the federal regulations. Consequently, the court confirmed the dominance of federal law when state and federal regulations are at odds, thereby upholding a critical aspect of the constitutional doctrine in the United States.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.